Okay, so sesiyaqhubeka ivideo elandelayo. Uma ngabe uyibukile ivideo yethu yokuqala besisabuka nje i-overview yangaphandle kwe-web page yethu. Uma ngabe usuyithaphile uyibonile i-domain. I-domain is cryptohopper.com. As you can see there on the top, it's cryptohopper.com. So uma ngabe uthayiphe kanje, then you are on the right domain. Ayikho enye i-domain ya cryptohopper mangabe nje uskemekile or bakufisha or somehow, then please make sure ukuthi double check ukuthi it's cryptohopper.com. There is only 2 P's, there is no other maybe change, and uzobona ngokuthi lo yabo. Yeah, so asingeneke because ngikusho lokhu because siyaphela online, abantu bethu bayaphela, and mina ngikhona ngizozama ukuthi ngikhiphe lezo zime kanjani. That is why sivule i-group sayibiza nge-Women Media Limited, and sigxila kakhulu ekusizeni abantu bethu ukuthi bakwazi ukuyizuzela i-income ethe xaxa ngendlela ehlelekile ne-safe kunazo zonke, and ne-legit ne-right, and nenza sure ukuthi uma ngabe kuwukuthi usebenzisana nayo izoqhubeka like it's lifetime income, yabo. We're not focusing on izintweni ezothi seluyile ibhanoyi. No, we don't do that stuff because we've had enough. I mean, this is like, I mean, heaven if you like to make extra profits. And then uzweke abantu bethi mhlambe sokunika imali mawufaka $100 mhlambe uzothola $40 per week or imali straightforward ekalekile eqondile, ungazi ukuthi i-trade kanjani imali efanayo, because awukwazi ukutrade the same percentage daily. If you're making the more than 1% daily, and then you're trying to see, and that is like ayishintshe. So yeah, asikho lapho la uzobona ama-trades, uzobona ukuthi which coins were being exchanged and how much was percentage of profits was made, and if it was a loss, it's a loss like any other. But the board it boasts a 94% win rate, so it's one of those things depending ku-setting yakho. Ngiyaphinda futhi ngiyagcizelela ama-settings akho ibona abalulekile. So siyafisa ukuthi sikuxhase ngokuthi sikunikeze ama-classes a-basic okutrader uma ngabe uqhubeka nokufunda, I mean nokuhlala ne-page, I mean ne-channel yethu, sizokwazi ukuthi sikuxhase ngama-classes athile uzokwazi ukuthi uwafunde, mhlawumbe usubscribe kuwona nakhona lokhu uthola njalo ama-updates ngokuthi uqalisuka anje understand ukuthi kona yini ukutrader, uqala kanjani, kwenziwani, ukuze ukwazi ukuthi masufika la uwazi ukuthi ufaka ama-settings right. So ama-features ala ikhona i-automatic trading, which is iyona vele i-primary role of this software, ukuthi i-tradela automatically. Amanye amazwi iyona escan market, iyona ebonayo ukuthi imaphi ama-coins a-vulnerable asengatradeka, a-volatile, bese iyakwazi ukubeka ama-trades, ama-triggers and so on, triggerisho ukuthi kwenzakalani ngaleyo coin, bese ibeka i-trade, bese mangabe seyithola i-profit ivala i-trade. Yabona nje, it's like heaven. So you don't even have to be there, you don't even have to be online usuku lonke. Akudingeki nanokuthi uzohlale ubukana nefoni, ubukana ne-TV, I mean ne-screen se-laptop or se-computer. It's 24/7, Monday to Friday, I mean Monday to Sunday, like zonke insuku, depending ukuthi wena unisele noma icishile. Yakwazi ukuyicisha uma ngabe ubona sengeke sengikhathele ukuthi ama-profit, or mhlambe sewufuna ukushintsha ama-coins utrade amanye. So exchange arbitrage lokho kuchaza ukuthi kuyashintshwana, njengoba ubonile kwivideo yokuqala sikhuluma ngama-exchanges ahlukahlukene. Iyakwazi ukubona ukuthi ku-Bitbavo mhlambe i-Ripple mhlambe u-cheap, kodwa ku-Binance mhlambe uyabiza. Manguthenga la udayisa ngala uzokwenza i-profit, yabo. Lento is crazy. So market making, when ukwazi ukuqalisa ama-trade and then uphinde ubuyithaker futhi, mirror trading, ukopisha, trading stops is the craziest things, because uma ngabe ubeka i-stop order kushuthi sizomove kanye ne-direction ye-trade, asimi ndawonye ukuthi uma ubona le trade le engazuthi inethemba, la uyakwazi ukucupha ukuthi no, njengoba uzobeka i-stop order uthi uma ngabe yehla kangaka le trade ivaleke. In this case uyakwazi ukuyicopha ukuthi imove nayo down, so ingavaleki until kuze kube ukuthi seyiya phezulu up to profits, like crazy. There's trading stop loss, there's maningi ama-trading stop loss, there's trading buy, nama-buys ayalentuzana. Hey, I mean, like, this is like the craziest bots I've ever seen empilweni yami. So i-paper trading uyakwazi ukuthi unikeze ama-funds-ke a-virtual uku-trade ngawo, ufunde ukuthi ngenza njani and leli robots usetshenziswa kanjani, futhi ukutesta. Strategy designer, uma ukuthi umuntu okwazi uku-create ama-strategies, mhlawumbe usuyi-expert ku-trader, usuyazazi i-strategies zakho zoku-trader, ama-indicators a-right nayo yonke into. So uyakwazi ukuthi uzi-create-ele, liyakuvumela nawe ukuthi uzi-create-ele lakho i-robot futhi elizosetshenziswa wena. Kahle kahle isikhathi esiningi nje la you customize your own robots and then unika ama-settings akho, but not awakho exactly. Uma ngabe ungakwazi ukufaka awakho ama-strategies, uyakwazi ukuthenga kwi-marketplace. Kunendawo eyi-marketplace la kudayisa khona ama-strategies akhiwa abantu abama-professional traders abawadayisayo ngama-subscriptions ukuthi usubscribe kuyona, mhlawumbe kwesinye isikhathi nama-signals nani yabo. So angazi emhlabeni wonke jikelele, this is like it's all in one, it's a whole package yabo, it's a whole package. Backtesting uyakwazi ukutesta ukuthi strategy sakho sizosebenza yini before usi-apply noma usi-onise robotini, qala usi-backtest usibone ukuthi nje siyasebenza yabo. Then once uma ungekho happy ngaso usicishe ushintshe lezo zindawo ubona ukuthi i-strategy ngeke siyashoda la. And then ama-exchanges inqwaba yabo. So mhlawumbe ngithi uklikha kancane ama-exchanges, let's click on exchanges, phinde siwabone futhi, just ukwabona nje kuphela, not much yabo. So now ama-exchanges la ngokulistwa kwala ekhaya. So are they in a certain order? I don't, they are in an order of what? Of uptime, uptime. So yiphi eranayo isa-right, isasebenzisana kahle nabo yabo. Nawo ama-exchanges ala ngelisting yakhona. So OKX right now ngibona number 1 kubona, futhi mhlambe abantu abaningi basubscribe basebenzisa wona yabo, ngenxa yokuthi mhlambe unama-cost unama-fees athe ukuba acceptable kubantu, right? So kukhona ama-exchange uyazikhethela uyithandayo, njengoba ngeke ngasho eqaleni ukuthi ahlukile yabo. Lesezansi degraded performance, well uhobby degraded performance. Vele isikhathi esiningi lama-exchanges lawa mabiza kakhulu, ayikho i-volatility engako kubona, because abantu abakhona isikhathi abantu aba-rich vele abasuke be-owner lawo ma-assets akubona. But usazo-understand isikhathi esiningi they are not really day traders yabo, basuke befuna ukwenza ama-profits fast because basuke be-invest imali eyinkulu bona. But laba abakhokha iy'mali ey'ncane njengathi esifuna ukwenza nje ama-small profits, nokuthi ama-small kangaka noma esifuna ukukhula size sibe ama-millionaires kuyima siqala nathi sikwazi uku-relaxa siholde, siqala ngawo lawa nje OKX. So you should look around and see if kuwukuthi you can is there any exchange familiar nayo la. Uma ingekho, don't worry, you will familiar, so kwenza ube familiar nawo ala ma-exchanges and understand ukuthi iyodwa lena nalena isebenza kanjani and when ungayisebenzisa kanjani to your own advantage, right? So quickly ngizogcina ngayi-pricing. Let's go to ama-resources uma-resources. You will check this website out yourself. Uma ufuna ukuba ama-tutorials nama-academy no-help desk, ngizoya nje quickly kwi-documentation because iyona ithanda ukuba interesting la. If you go to your documentation area, ila uzothola khona yonke into i-explained in deep detail, like what is CryptoHopper yabo, yini CryptoHopper. So bayachazela kahle la ukuthi it's a trading automatic trading platform that trades for you, so you can focus on the important things in life. That I'm sold. I'm sold at this line E1. So trading cryptocurrencies has never been easier. So set up your configuration, and you are ready to go. Like those 3 lines, sold, you gone. So it's there's nothing easier than this. It's like you can get blown away and then uphinde ubone ukuthi njengoba ngisho ukuthi like if you were never exposed to the information before and manje you have been, trust me, you can never unlearn this. It's something that will haunt you for the rest of your life. If kuwukuthi awusayinanga up la or awuqalanga utrade la or awuqalanga ukuthi ube yiphathi yale platform, you will be haunted for the rest of your life because uzozibona ukuthi hawu ngabona ithuba elihle kanje ngangalisebenzisa. Kubuhlungu ukuyisola ngento ongayenzanga, yabo, because this one is like angazi, even if awukazi uze ngokutrade sizohlala nawe siqhubeke sikunika ama-classes ambalwa, not ama-classes per se, but sobe si-reviewa izinto ezithile. And uma ufuna ama-classes okutrade, ufuna ukwenza ama-basics, ukwazi uconfigurate i-robot lakho uliset ukuthi uzosebenza kanjani, sizoqhubeka nama-video athile ezokwazi ukusiza. But amanye uzomele subscribe and then ukhokhe i-subscription for monthly, but it's not very much, like it's cheaper than the money you'll be getting for the rest of your life, ne? So nakho-ke okunye, so lana kuma-resources, kuma-documentation, this is where you can learn exactly anything you feel we understand on the Crypto Hopper. There is FAQs, there is documentation. Uma ufuna ukuthola ukuthi ama-company documents akhona, they are there. Let's just go to statistics if you want to understand statistics. So statistics, your stats. So mina lo ne ukuthi sing okay, mina ngiyasebenzisa. I'm not so sure ukuthi bakhombisa mina. I think it's mine, this one, because ngeke ngalokha in ngabe ngaphuma la. Page overhauls have been taken. Note the specification time period. In the upper right corner of statistics page, you are able to select the time period for which you want to see your statistics. Well, there's quite a lot you can see there, because if you ubukisisa kahle la iyakutshela ukuthi ama-buys nawa abovu, ama-buys are green, ama-sells are abovu, yabo, there's a graph there. Ama-funds akho allocate kanjani, yabo, you can understand per color ukuthi yiphi le. You can just look at bakunika wonke ama. I like this part because most of the time it tells you ukuthi i-trigger bekuyini ukuthi baze baplace leyo trade, and most of the time mayisethe kahle izokutshela ukuthi trigger bekuyini ukuthi ibone ukuthi uzokwenza i-profit, which is crazy. Hey, so ngoba ubone ukuthi uzokwenza, it's scanning 24/7 the markets, and then mayibone ukuthi kune profits ezokwenzeka lapha, it's triggered, and then this is a trade. Awesome, great. So first, I mean, whoever you are watching this video, I mean, you are blessed. I can tell you that for sure. You are the most blessed person in Sabeni, and I don't know what you else ungaphinda ukhale ngayo kusukela namhlanje. Paper trading, dashboard, tutorials. So I'm showing you this page because it's where uma ngabe kuwukuthi nje you have questions, mhlawumbe usafika and ufuna ukungibuza imibuzo, first check out ukuthi ayikho impendulo ongayithola la mhlawumbe, because I know for sure ukuthi imibuzo technical esingayilindele ukuthi how do I use this, which is good, and then we can assist nalama video alandela nayo. But if you want to know a lot about the bots, everything, how it works, the API keys and so on, zonke lezi technicals zakhona, then you go to your resources and you go to your documentation. So nabanye abantu ke FAQs, mina ke I always advise ukuthi mangabe uqala ukuhlangabezana ne-platform ongakazi uyisebenzise before, always check the FAQs, find out ukuthi abantu imiphi imibuzo abayilistile ukuthi iyabuzeka, check ama-reviews as we saw there ukuthi abantu sebevele sebeyakhuluma ngayo. So even on YouTube, you can get so many videos abantu bewenza ngayo i-Crypto Hopper, meaning it's been there for quite some time. I think since 2017 or so. So it's been there because I think this morning, because I was saying for about 2-3 months. Kade ngiyibona that recently ibingoya ngo-2018 January, February. So January, February. Yeah. Alright, so what are the minimum buy amount? So the exact minimum buy amount depends on the exchange. The general rule of thumb is 0.02 BTC, blah blah blah. So there are no positions. Yeah, well, it's like everything you might really want to know will be listed here. Then you can contact support if kuwukuthi ayikho mhlawumbe indlela oyitholayo kuma-video aku-YouTube nalawo usazowabeka nawo uwabuka buthina kulesi page. Thina simnandi ngoba sikufundela ngesiZulu, so usenkankeni. Ngiyazi isilisi silula naso. But kuba mnandi komunye umuntu mhlawumbe ungakabi exposed kangako kuma-online investments ukuthi ezwe kahle into ngesiZulu. Right, so the juicy part or the part le kade uvele ulindele ukuyibuza ke manje ukuthi manje ngizodinga malini ukuthi ngisebenzise lento yabona lento ibukeka i-right, yazi kona i-report nami liyawenza umqondo, yazi mhlampe noma ngingakakutholi kahle okuningi kodwa ngizokale ngathi into right. So manje-ke ngizodinga malini ukuthi ngisebenzise lento. Well, nayi impendulo sokunika yona. Sinama-subscriptions inhlobo ey'ntathu la. Inhlobo ey'ntathu zama-subscriptions. Njengoba ngike ngasho ngiyagcizelela futhi, uma ngabe usubscriber, you are not investing in the robots. You are not investing in it at all. You are just activating the software to trade for you kwi-platform noma kwi-exchange yakho le enama-funds akho. Right? So uma ngabe uqala usaqala mhlawumbe unemali encane and you don't have uyabona wena uzikhethelayo kuyahlukanisela, ungaqala ngo-$20 kwi-starter package. So lapho sine-adventure hopper yona iba $19. Mina ngi-$20 ngoba ngibona ngathi kuyafana. So ngenyanga eyi-1 ukhokha u-$19, depending-ke ukuthi ukuliphi izwe. Uma use-South Africa u-$19 is around let me just check a second. $19 is around 300 rands, I think. Because yeah, it's around 300 rands or 2 something. So $19 is $285 right now. Something is starting to video over the second level. So like South Africa right now, $19 is 285. So 285 rand uzokwazi ukuthi ube ne real time trading bot ezobe trader kwi-cloud 24/7 likwenzele ama-positions awu-80. Okusho ukuthini na umuntu mangabe ungakazi kahle ukuthi ama-positions, kodwa ukuthi lizovula ama-trades azokwenza i-profit amanye mhlawumbe angayenze ngakho, kodwa ezobe iwavulile sewonke kuleyo nyanga eyodwa azobe ewu-80. Futhi ama-trades depending-ke ukuthi i-trade yodwa iphokethe malini, because kushintshelwene then wase wa-collect i-profit depending, mhlawumbe ngiya-collecta 1%, enye 5%, enye 50%, depending ukuthi i-trade ibemi kanjani noma umakhethe ibemi kanjani ngaleso sikhathi nawe ubucuphe kanjani i-software yakho. So unamathuba okwenza inzuzo awu-80, ngisho njalo mina ngicabanga kanjalo, awu-80. Ehlukahlukene inzuzo engalingani, hayi le linganayo njalo cha, ingalingani. So win-win situation. So ama-coins ungawa-select ukuthi kushintshelwane ngawo awu-15 kuyona yonke nje i-cryptocurrency industry. Shuthi noma kulawa listwe kulawo ma-exchanges uzobe utradeisa kuwona, uzotradelwa kuwona. Then ama-interval okuthenga ahlukene kawu-10 ngo-10 minutes, meaning ukuthi every 10 minutes bangakwazi uphinde bethenge futhi. Ikhona kodwa i-content echaza kahle namhlanje ukufundela manje. So enye i-subscription yesibili ewu-medium, i-advanced hopper, yona iwu-$49, which is $50 ngenyanga roughly, yabo. And then nayo futhi it's 24/7 njengoba ngingasho ukuthi wonke 24/7 awulali, alizeli alilali. Kodwa leli ngenxa yokuthi liwu-$50 lona livula ama-trade awu-200 ngokwalo, not without you, not ngokwakho. Uma uthanda uyakwazi ukuzitradela manually, yeah uyakwazi, but why you go for a bot if usafuna ukuyitradela manually? So why not rather set up ama-strategies and then ufike kanjalo. So ama-position awu-200 enyangeni eyodwa. So in 30 days time you would have been you would have placed around 200 positions. Kuma-coins ahlukahlukene kawu-50. So i-list yama-coins osuke ufuna ukuwasa-trader ungaze ufake ngisho uze kufike ku-50 uma ukuthi unayo ama-choices afika ku-50 yabo. Kuya kuwena futhi-ke uma ukhetha ama-coins-ke kuyi-skill nalokho, akusikona ukuthi uvele ukhethe noma iyiphi i-coin nje ezo-trade. So nakhona-ke ibhaya yona every 5 minutes, ama-triggers awu-5 ngokunjalo. Njengoba ngike ngasho la phezulu ama-trigger awu-2 la awu-5, then every 5 minutes iyakwazi ukubeka i-trade le. Then leyana enye ibikade ibeka every 2 minutes. And then u-Pro Master wona ubonakala ngokuthi ulento wona ubona ukuthi wona u-500 positions, 75 coins, 10 triggers, arbitrage una 2 maximum intervals. Okay, let's sihlangane kwi-video elandelayo for now. Thank you.